strengthening your core and developing defined abs can be a challenging journey, especially for beginners. While focusing on these muscles is important, losing belly fat requires a more comprehensive approach. Many believe that crunches or sit-ups will do the job, but those exercises alone won't burn enough calories to make a difference. If you want to strengthen your core and lose fat at the same time, you need a more effective approach, and that's where HIIT comes in. High-intensity interval training HIIT not only engages your abs, but also boosts your heart rate to burn calories more efficiently. Today, I'm showing you 5 beginner HIIT exercises that targets your core while giving you a great cardio workout. Plus, I'll share modified versions for each move so you can ease into it at your own pace. Whether you're just starting out or need a lighter version of each exercise, I've got you covered. Let's get started. To kick off our workout, we'll start with the plank to shoulder tap, which works your entire core while challenging your balance and stability. Begin in a high plank position with your shoulders aligned over your wrists. From here, lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder, alternating sides and trying to keep your hips as still as possible. This move engages not only your abs, but also your shoulders and back. If holding a full plank is too hard, you can drop your knees to the mat, which reduces the strain on your arms and core. Keep your body in a straight line from your shoulders to your knees, and focus on maintaining stability as you perform the shoulder taps. And then rest for 20 seconds. Next up are flutter kicks or reverse crunches, a great exercise for targeting your lower abs. Lie face up with your arms on the floor by your sides. If your lower back needs some extra support, place your hands underneath your bottom. Engage your core and lift both legs about 6 inches off the floor. Kick your feet like you're swimming to really feel the burn. And for the modification, bend your knees to make the exercise easier. The more you bend, the less pressure you'll feel on your core. And then rest for 20 seconds. Now let's get our heart rates up with mountain climbers, a high-intensity move that will engage your core and boost your cardio. Start in a high plank position and quickly alternate driving your knees toward your chest in a running motion. This exercise works your abs and also strengthens your arms and shoulders. For the modification, slow it down and step 1 foot toward your chest at a time, then return it to plank position. You can also elevate your hands by placing them on a sturdy chair or bench to reduce the pressure on your wrists and make it easier to maintain form, and then rest for 20 seconds. Next, we'll move to Russian twists, which focus on your obliques and core rotation. Sit on the ground and lean back slightly to engage your core, then twist your torso from side to side, tapping the floor with your hands. If you're feeling up to it, lift your feet off the ground for an added challenge. For the modification, keep your feet on the floor and focus on the twisting motion of your upper body. You can also hold a small weight or a water bottle for added resistance as you build strength, and then rest for 20 seconds. Finally, we'll finish strong with leg raises, an excellent move for targeting your lower abs. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Slowly lift your legs toward the ceiling, keeping them straight, and then lower them down without letting them touch the floor. If keeping your legs straight is too difficult, bend your knees slightly as you raise and lower them. This reduces the strain on your lower back and makes it easier to perform the movement without sacrificing form. Once you're done, rest for 20 seconds. After finishing the 5 exercises, take 2 minutes to cool down. Stretch your core, hips and lower back with simple stretches like the Cobra pose and Child's pose. These will help your muscles relax and recover. And that's it. A quick and effective, beginner-friendly HIIT workout for your abs and core. Remember, the modified versions are there to help you build strength at your own pace, so don't feel pressured to go all out right away. As you get stronger, you can start incorporating the full versions of these exercises. Try adding this workout to your weekly routine, and soon you'll see improvements in both your strength and endurance. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the next video here for even more great content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you again soon.